Hey health heroes! Today we're diving into the tiny but mighty thyroid gland, your body's metabolism maestro. Let's explore how iodine, selenium, and seaweed save the day. Meet your thyroid, a butterfly-shaped gland in your neck. It controls energy, temperature, and even brain power by making hormones called T3 and T4. No iodine, no hormones. When your thyroid's lazy, hypothyroidism, you feel like a sloth, weight gain, fatigue, always cold. But if it's overactive, hyperthyroidism, you're a cheetah, racing heart, shaky hands, sweating buckets. Ignoring thyroid issues. Yikes! Heart failure, extreme weight loss or gain, or even linked diseases like diabetes and rheumatoid arthritis. Don't let your thyroid go rogue. Fuel your thyroid with iodine. Seaweed is king. Nori in sushi, kombu in soups. But beware, one bite of kelp can pack 3,000 micrograms of iodine, while the recommended daily allowance is just 150 micrograms. Selenium teams up with iodine. Found in Brazil, nuts, and fish, it fights inflammation and protects your thyroid from damage. Dynamic duo alert. Meet Bladderwrack, a brown seaweed loaded with iodine and anti-inflammatory fucoidan. Great for skin and joints, but it might have heavy metals. Always choose lab-tested brands. Ayurveda detoxes with triphala, while Chinese herbalism cools liver heat linked to hyperthyroidism. Ancient wisdom plus modern science equals a winning combo. Low zinc, vitamin A, or iron. They're thyroid sidekicks. Load up on organic veggies, garlic, and onions. But skip DIY. Supplements. Your doc knows best. Feeling stressed? Geranium oil may balance hormones, while frankincense fights thyroid inflammation. Science is slim, but hey, it smells amazing. So, thyroid heroes. Eat seaweed, but not too much. Hug selenium, and stay curious. Got questions? Drop them below. Like, subscribe, and share the health love. Disclaimer: this is not medical advice. Consult your doctor. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell for more health adventures.